Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talking about class 3 Dynamo Geometry. So last class we did this geometry, created this geometry. Say this is the cube, circle, and also in a sphere, and also we did this created this array of this geometrical box cube. Today we will start about talking about array, geometrical array in one direction, which is will be create in x direction and also create in y direction and also in z direction. Okay, how to create array in three direction? Let's do it, and also create different types of rectangle and in different position. How to do that? We will talk about these topics. So let's start. First of all, I just close this previous file. Click this new. We will see this is the interface of this graph surface. First of all, we have to create different types of rectangle and also create surface from this rectangle. Say first in library section on your screen on your left side, just click this geometry, or you can write in search option, say rectangle. There is lots of rectangle in this section. In geometry category, rectangle section, say by width and length. Just click this node. Just click this 3D preview. Okay, we will see this node. Rectangle we duct width and rectangle width. Also select this rectangle, another node, and so by width and length pick this node, by rectangle by width length, and also by corner points. Just click this by corner points in rectangle section, geometry category. So there is this is the basic some rectangle nodes in this regular Dynamo geometry. There are lots of rectangle node in this is the custom node from online, download from online. Okay, but these nodes are the basic node of this Dynamo section. Okay, just click this 3D preview and just zoom in this area. First of all, I just click this one node. Say, what is this? Okay, just click. There is a plane width and length. So how to create this node? Work this node with this rectangle, and we will see to create this rectangle from this node. So first connect this plane. So we will create another node which is connect this plane. If we write on search option, say plane, we will see there is lots of plane in this section. So Y, Z, x axis, y axis plane, origin, or this is not right node for this rectangle node. If we select or just select, right click on this plane, say X, Y, Z, or X, right click on this graph interface area, X, Z is another axis, plane X, Z, and also X, Y plane. So this is the basic 3 axis to create to apply each plane to place this rectangle shape. If we set this X, Y, Z, this plane, as you see, the rectangle shape will align to this YZ plane. And now connect this slider, the number slider. I just connect the both width and length. If we increase this slider, number slider, rectangle shape will increase in surroundings area. If we connect this XZ plane, rectangle shape will rotate, place the XZ orientation. If we connect the XY plane, we will see rectangle shape will be placed in XY plane orientation. So that's how we will control this rectangle shape with axis plane. Okay. Now we will talk about this rectangle height and also this rectangle width. So this node is information of dimension, rectangle dimension. What is the dimension of this rectangle shape? So if we connect this rectangle width, we will see there is a 6.7, and if we connect this rectangle double, also 6.7, because their slider information is 6.7. Okay, if we control and drag this area, just connect this length. If we increase this number, okay, also there is rectangle height is 17.5, and also is rectangle width is 6.7. But this number is not a feet actually. This number is not a millimeter or centimeter. This is the we show this this number is just a number, not a unit. Okay. If we if we create a unit, if we set the unit in this Revit section, say feet or centimeter, millimeter, this number convert to that unit automatically. If we set in feet in this unit section, this Revit, that will be the 6 feet 7 inch. If we set the if we set the meter, that will be 6.7 meter. If we set the set in millimeter in Revit section unit, that means 6.7 millimeter. Okay, so 6.7 is a double. This is floating number. This is the data is this data types is floating. Okay, if we set just only 6 number, it will be the integer number. Okay, so that's how this node will work from this rectangle shape. Now connect this rectangle width and length. This node is automatically created if when we place this graph paper section area, this node, the rectangle shape will automatically create. Okay, this is the another way to create a rectangle surface. If we connect this slider, okay, So rectangular shape will be created in that dimension, from this dimension. So there is another node, this section. So this is the rectangle dot by corner point. Okay. As you see, this is the rectangle by four corner points, and also we will see the another node is rectangle by corner points. So how to create a rectangle with this node? First of all, this is the in this rectangle by corner points, we see there is a 4 point P1, P2, P3, P4, 4 point, and also we see the rectangle in by corner points in 1 point section. Okay, so first we have to create a point, 4 point. Right click on your screen, graph interface, say point by coordinates. Just copy 3 times or 4 times. Ctrl C on your keyboard, just paste 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 times. Just place this node as a serial, and also create a slider, number slider. First connect, this is our first point, this is the second point, this is the third point, and this is the fourth point. So connect this second point and increase this number. Connect this second point, increase in this number, and say connect this also third point X, and also connect this number slider to this Y section, and this is the third point, and also we will connect this slider to this Y direction. This is the fourth point. Now this 4 point connect to this rectangle by corner point in fourth section. First one, second one, third one, and also create connect this point to fourth one. Rectangle, as you see, the rectangle will created in this graph section. This is the another way to create this rectangle shape. Now connect it. I just hide this rectangle for a moment. Now we have to create this rectangle by corner point. To do that, we need to create a list. Right click on your screen, list create. Now increase this number list one, because there is a 4 point, so we have to create a list, 4 list. First of all, connect this first point to this first number, second, third, and fourth. Now connect this list to this point, rectangle point. Now this is the another way to create this rectangle shape. Okay, so we see this the rectangle, different types of rectangle node to create this graph section area in creating process, rectangle creating process. So so now we have to create different types in array in different in 3 dimension, x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. 3 dimension array. How to create this 3-dimensional array? To do that, first create a surface. We can create an array in this rectangle shape for a moment. So if we create a surface, just click this on your screen, say patch by patch and surface by patch. If we connect this rectangle to this closed curve, the surface will create from this rectangle shape. Also, if we connect this rectangle width and length, I just preview on this rectangle shape, this surface will create on this rectangle shape. Okay, I just hide this surface. Connect this rectangle shape to this surface patch. Now I just decrease this number for a moment. Okay, now create a array in 3 dimension, in x direction, y direction, and also z direction. So first create a translate. X, Y, Z direction. Now just create a slider. Now create a sequence. Create a integer slider. Just connect these steps and also connect this amount. We can set default on this start section for now. Just increase this number as usual. Also this integer slider. Create connect this sequence to this first of all, connect this surface to this geometry and connect this x-axis. As you see, the surface will create in x direction, is a different amount of this sequence. If we increase this number, the surface number will increase in x direction. Also this number of surface will increase. Okay, so now if we connect this sequence to this y direction, we will see this surface will increase in corner direction x and y. If we connect this z direction, the surface will increase this x, y, z in 3 direction. So I just disconnect this z translate. Now we have to create an array in both x and y both direction, which means the surface will be increased in also this direction and also in this direction. That means it will be show in this graph paper area in rectangular shape. So how to do that? To do that, say just right click on this geometry translate, lacing, and just select cross product. When we apply this cross product, the surface will create this in both direction in xy surface. If we connect this sequence to z direction, you will see in surface will be array in 3 dimension. So that's how we create a three-dimensional array in this Dynamo area, graph paper area. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, so check it this script. So we will see in next video tutorial. Okay, bye, take care.